Hello everyone, I am Bati. I am from Group 2 and today I am going to present a Windows command prompt. This is our assignment and we have 6 members, Sek Nhan, me, Lach Samnang, Lau Samana, Phan and Lach Visna. And the first 2 points I am going to present. Introduction. Before Windows was created, the most common operating system that ran on IBM PC compatible was DOS. DOS stands for Disk Operating System and was what you would use if you had started your computer much like you do today with Windows. The difference was that DOS was not a graphical operating system, but rather purely textual. That meant in order to run programs or manipulate the operating system, you had to manually type in commands. When Windows was first created, it was actually a graphical user interface that was created in order to make using the DOS operating system easier for a novice user. As time went on and newer versions of Windows were developed, DOS was finally phased out with Windows. Though the newer operating systems do not run on DOS, they do have something called the command prompt, which has a similar appearance to DOS. Using the command prompt or DOS Windows, when people refer to the command prompt, they may refer to it in different ways. They may refer to it as a shell console window, a command prompt, a CMD prompt, or even DOS. In order to enter the command prompt, you need to run a program that is dependent on the operating system. Below we list the programs that you need to run to enter a command prompt based on the version of Windows you are running. Start command prompt, you would do the following step. Click on the menu, click on Run option, type the appropriate command in the append field, and click OK button. The command prompt is simply a window that by default displays the current directory, or in Windows term a folder that you are in, and has a blinking cursor ready for you to type your commands. For example, in figure above, you can see that it says C Windows right here. The directory, if we are in the directory C/program file/directory, the prompt would instead look like this. To use the command prompt, you would type in the commands and instructions you want and then press enter. In the text section, we will discuss some useful commands and how to see all available built-in commands for the command prompt. And thank you. I would give
Hello teacher and everyone, I am Sek Nhan, member Group 2. Now I presentation from Puti point 3 that say about redirector. What is redirector in a CMD? A redirector are important part to using the command prompt. They allow you to manipulate how the import or output of a program is displayed or used. A redirector are used by appending them to the each of a command followed by what you are redirecting. There are 4 redirectors that are used in a command prompt. This is 4 redirector in a CMD. First redirector. The redirector will talk output of a program and store it in a file. If the file exists, will be overwritten. If it does not exist, it will grab a new file. As you can read redirector. The redirector will talk the output of a program and store in a file. If the file exists, the data will be appended to the current data in the file rather than overwriting it. If it does not exist, we will grab a new file. As redirector, this redirector will talk the input for a program from a specified file. For example, that command is space input from a user. So if we have the command that then redirector and then write that.tt, it would talk the input for the that program from the information contained in the that.tt file. The last redirector, the redirector is called pi. This will talk the output of a program and pipe it into another program. Okay, thank you.
Hello everyone, I'm present about bar file. Bar file are the file that has an extension 18 in .bat. They are simply string that contain command from command that will be executed in the order they are listened. To create a bar file, just make a file that add in .bat, such as text.bat, and insert the file as the command you would like. A command would be on its order link and in the order you would like then to execution. Below is example bat file. It has no real use, but we give you an example for us how a bat file works. This text bat file contains the following link of text. If you were to run the text.bat file we create, we would have output that look like the following. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Samnang. Today I'm going to present console program. It's a program is created for the express purpose of running, which has a command from a console window. That program is called a console program. These are programs that are not graphical and can only be run properly from return a command from Windows. Thank you.